It was not okay.
Ah, shit.
You crashed again?
Yes.
I mean,
Hey guys, I crashed.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I sure did.
God damn it. All right, let me try this.
All right, no, I'll try hosting.
That's not gonna go well. I crashed.
God damn it.
God damn it.
These bullshit blazing through my heart is blazing. If I lose my wings, I don't need a new world under you. Can't feel a thing. We already know the smell of the game. Remember, you are blazing. Still, your heart is blazing. If the world made you, I don't need a new world under you. Soon you will know. We already know the smell of the game.
You guys, you know we've been brainwashed to like goth girls since a young age.
Yes.
And?
It's brainwashing.
And?
Yes, and?
What's the problem?
Why must they poke my brain and make it do the funny?
Because dopamine is a hell of a drug.
Oh, wow, it's the cutscene none of us have ever seen before.
Can we just
Wow.
skip it?
Yes.
And you can put it back in post.
Okay. Yep, definitely adding the cutscene in post. Mm-hmm.
Wow, this cutscene we've all never seen before.
Wow, all this
Let's give
cutscene.
honest opinions about this cutscene. My honest opinion is, wow.
Wow.
my honest opinion is this is the 10th time.
My honest
Damn.
opinion, escape.
Escape.
I gotta get out of here. Oh, I'm not in the cutscene.
Neither am I. Yay,
Oh,
Ethan,
yeah.
Oh,
go ahead.
It's just the cutscene.
Let's go.
Oh,
No,
I
no.
see Cortez in the cutscene now.
No, I hated that I got pulled into it.
Ah, yes.
Abomination. Visions rush
Hey,
past.
can we skip this?
A dragon's wing, a silver
yeah.
sword.
Also, Lae'zel has just been left to be
Images
damned.
appear in your mind. A brain, a
God
Githyanki
damn it.
warrior.
Stop climbing down the ladder! God damn it,
She'll
Cortez!
show up when she needs to.
Mr. Cortez, please!
It keeps it teleporting me to the top. It's gone back there.
Having technical difficulties
Okay, I
back there,
can't figure-
gentlemen.
I'm not very smart, so I probably shouldn't be the one trying to figure this out.
Muscle Merlin's free!
Muscle Merlin is free.
Muscle Merlin is a free dwarf.
The squad.
Actually, wait, no, it's on tactician level, so no, it won't.
Oh shit, I have to think real hard about what I do if it's
Hey
tactician.
guys, I am nowhere near the fucking fight.
Get over here.
I
I'd
think
start
I'm
running.
in the initiative order.
I'd start running, little dwarf boy.
I can't start running, dwarf boy.
Let's get this over with.
What the fuck? Let me move, asshole!
Sir, I'm a wizard wielding dual hand axes at the moment.
Hey, that bitch was supposed to explode for moving. He moved like a whole 3 inches. Why didn't he explode?
Heading there.
How dare you not explode?
Alright, time for the funny strat. Fuck. What will Muscle Merlin
Anyway,
do? Oh my.
Why?
corpse exploding.
Oh, I see why. Fucking why? Why? Oh.
The shards of bone appear to be highly effective shrapnel.
Yeet.
Damage.
What's your throw?
I threw a hand axe. Oh, it worked again.
Wow.
What are the odds? Please, work this time. No! Oh, alright.
Well,
We
that's
gotta
how
kill him
it
if we
sucks.
want that funny... If we want that funny sword, we've gotta kill him.
You got it, boss. The fucking goon squad is coming.
We need the squad. He's been chilled,
His
gentlemen.
bones.
His bones have been
No,
chilled.
not chilled.
His bones have been chilled. I have an idea.
Gentlemen, he may not have a brain, but he has an idea.
It's called I have a nuclear bomb in my pocket.
Uh-oh.
That's a bold strategy, considering we're all surrounding this guy.
What? No.
Is he wearing metal?
It looks like he is, yeah.
He's stunned again. All right, wail on him, everyone.
Beat him up!
Jonglai.
Didn't mean to get that far up.
Okay, that was not good damage, Mr. Mind Flayer.
My screen is completely black.
Uh-oh.
Huh?
All right, let's see. I can make this work.
Miss.
Miss.
Hey, so I don't know where these things are. I have the mini map. Okay. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
They fired you?
Come
I
on.
got
Please. Okay.
Yes!
He's got
Possible.
13 hit points, guys. 10
10.
hit points.
I keep hitting him so I know where the numbers are coming from.
7.
7!
Please.
Where?
So
Where is
close.
he?
Just click on it. Can you see his portrait?
No. That was portrait.
You wouldn't hit again with the guy with glasses.
Miss.
No!
Oh.
Oh.
He has
Oh my
one
God.
hit point.
Come on.
Muscle Merlin!
Come on, Muscle Merlin!
Muscle Merlin's got a 64% chance.
Come
Bye,
on.
Merlin.
It's down to Shadowheart
Hey guys,
and
what
Muscle
happened to my
Merlin.
health?
You got imped.
Muscle Merlin!
Come on.
There we go.
Yeah!
Loot his ass.
What if, I have an idea called Beat Up the Mind Flayer because he's on 10 health.
Pretty good idea.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I mean, I do have my turn before him, but I think he might get killed by the Cambions first.
No! No,
Hey,
don't you do it! That's my experience!
Ow!
Someone picked up the sword, right?
My spleen.
Yes.
Bjorn's spleen.
Merlin has it. Hey guys, Muscle Merlin doesn't feel so good.
I'm gonna hit disengage, and I'm going to turn, and I'm going to click as far as I can.
Yeah. You run towards the
I'm gonna-
objective.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
running the Hail Mary, buddy.
I'm waiting for you to get sniped.
I am too.
It's been an honor, gentlemen.
Oh.
See that?
Uh,
Now I know where you are. Now I know
That was
where two of you are.
Hit the transponder!
There it is.
It's directly in front of your face.
Shit.
The
I can see.
Yes.
you can see!
It's sight restored! Oh, hey, Mr. Cortez, what are you doing there? Just staring out to the sea.
Hey, Jeremy, you should give me that underwear. I'll trade you. Although, it does kind of look like Bjorn has a thong over there.
Turn your gaze away from my half-elven thong.
But I covet your half-elven thong. You should give it to me. I will give you my dwarven boxers.
Fucking small Thanos looks lustfully at the half-elven thong.
Well, I'm gonna take off my boxers, so someone better give me something.
Alright, well, alright, we'll trade.
Otherwise, Thanos the Small will run
Oh, dear.
free.
If you
Oh,
saw...
fuck yes! Oh, fuck yes!
Make myself a drink.
If you guys saw Mr. Muscle Merlin over here, would you think he's a wizard? It's closed
It's my-
casket funeral or
You're
nothing.
alive. I'm I
Why is
remember
my
the
AC
ship.
13?
We might have escaped, but we still have these little
Oh,
monsters.
because I only have a
No,
+3 to Dex. That's right.
I don't
Wait, I
recognize this
thought armor
place.
defense
We
was
need each
Dex
other.
and something else.
And we both know what's at stake.
It's Dex and Wisdom.
One thing.
Oh shit.
Lead the way.
Yep. Welcome to Monk.
May have dumped wisdom.
Oh. Oh no.
You
You're
might
fucked.
want to change that once
Once we get withers, yeah.
Yeah, you're fucked.
once we get the bony man.
Although, hold on, before you do junk, let me see. Give me your underwear. I want to see if it's better than Eric's.
You're on.
You know, that's something I wasn't expecting.
Oh, it's so much better.
A mind flayer. And it's hurt.
Make him suffer.
Okay, the staring. Where are you? Thank you.
This is
Well,
cruel
how
and
do we-
unusual punishment.
How do we want to put him down, fellas? Should I hit him in the head with a ruby? What do you think? I could use a candle.
Wait, could it?
Should I hit him in the head with a candle? Oh, that'll do it.
Oh,
Death is too good for it.
Yoink.
Or is it the ship you're after? Don't matter either way.
They're no longer in the right
It's
spot.
ours. All of it.
I don't know which is better, honestly.
Don't mind Muscle Merlin jumping through a window and then sneaking up on them to cast a funny spell.
Well, then,
Hold it! Not another step, says Gimblebach, fucking dying.
Fall by my hand.
Gimblebach's dead.
Jesus Christ.
Gimblebach's fucking dead. I'm holding my turn for now.
Cortez, master of stealth. Oh, well, Muscle Merl... Thanos is not.
So you just blow in from Stupid Town?
I can't say don't react.
I cannot.
Hey Thanos, did you just blow in from fucking Stupid Town?
Misinput.
It was a misinput.
Calm
Calm down.
So he's wearing Shadowheart's armor. Or no, the Lae'zel armor. Never mind. Hey buddy, how's it going?
He's a Hexblade, so quite literally charisma should be his only stat, and he'd be doing fine. Aw, cringe.
Just unlucky.
Uh-oh. Hey guys, I don't feel so good.
There we go.
Hey fellers, I don't feel so
Alright,
fucking fresh.
guys, I want an opinion. Lae'zels or Jonks?
I think
Lae'zels, I
Jonks...
actually look like a fucking gimp.
I think Jonks is funnier.
I think Jonks is funnier too.
nah, path is intercepted. They'd have to be closer.
Oh, shit. Ow. Hold on. I have an idea. Ouch, damn it.
Oh, good heavens.
Okay, fire people, hand me the bombs, and back off from the door.
I got
Bomb
a
is in your
goddamn
inventory,
plan,
I'm
Arthur.
getting the fuck out.
These boots are
There you go, Eric, I gave you one bomb.
Okey-doke.
Fuck, this is not where I want it to be.
Don't
That's
waste
not
your
where I want it.
turns already.
Sir, get out of there. I can blow the bombs.
Yep, that's the plan, Stan. Chug chug.
Do it, Ethan. Oh my god.
Yes! The strats.
I need to get out of the
Yeah.
fire.
You know, I really carried the entire time.
Well
I
done,
feel
gentlemen.
fine, guys.
Full health.
Damn. This is a bloody massacre.
I knew those bombs would be useful.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, they're all chunky. Oh wait, no,
It's
that's
like a new
that's just the
bomb. It's an
wood.
oil barrel.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll do.
Oh.
Do you have inspiration by
Uh-oh.
chance? Do we have inspirations? We have one. Use it. Burn it,
Hey,
please.
hey guys, it's too late.
You can't use inspiration to reroll.
Oh wait, no, I can roll again. Yes, yes, yes.
Fuck.
What's
God
hiding
damn
here?
it!
Well,
I'm gonna go
Cursed
take a
to put
piss.
my hands on everything.
I
It's
got
been
I
an
saved
honor
right
noting
before
you.
if you want me to reload.
it's been an honor knowing you, Thanos.
No, don't reload.
We could just pretend it never happened.
It happened just as likely.
My rancid blood whispers to me, kill, kill, and kill again. I must resist the dark urge, lest it consume my mind. Before my twitching knife hand writes a tragedy in blood.
Killed those innocent people.
Oh boy. Ouch! That fucking hurts.
We are in position, except
No.
for maybe Muscle Merlin.
Okay, I am in position. Muscle Merlin said he was getting a drink, so.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, he's dead.
I'd like to hit one of these times.
Too bad.
Muscle Burner goes to take a singular piss.
You find
Already
skills.
started.
He must be dead. He is dead. Oh. Okay, maybe you just take more concentrate. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Maybe take some more concentrated sips.
Hello.
Why sip? If I could
How
gulp.
dare you?
Because the taste is phenomenal.
That's why
Nasty.
you would gulp. Can I hit? Thank you.
Why can I not switch to my...
Blinded Muscle Merlin.
Why can't I switch to my bow?
Muscle Merlin killed him.
Okay, question. Why couldn't I switch to my bow?
Because it's just
Wait,
on the
uh,
toolbar
It's
to
always
make a
equipped.
rage
You just
chart.
have to hit the bow bar.
No, yeah, I know.
Ranged
It's
weapon.
it's not letting me.
Are you proficient with it?
Oh, maybe I'm not.
Hey, Mr. Cortez, why are you allowed to level up?
Because I just killed 2 enemies in a row.
Yep,
he got inspired more than we did, so he had slightly more XP.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, bitch.
I'm carrying the team.
He's carrying the team.
Open the bloody gate! Nobody gets in!
Skip.
Zebro's order!
Skip, cannon,
Thank you.
skip, cannon.
Alright, fuck the recording, I guess.
I can't wait that long. Can I just do like rubbing alcohol or something?
That doesn't kill your liver. That just kills you.
Oh, okay.
That one targets your stomach.
I think everything I eat targets my stomach.
Well, technically yes, but
Go, gadget, bees.
Oh,
my
no.
Oh my god!
Oh no, I don't like that at all.
Oh my god! He's
just throws-
like a death pose too.
Yeah, did he just throw someone and they became bees?
He threw someone and they became Family Guy death pose.
I threw someone and had my swarm of
Bee
bees.
food.
I threw them at the ground from 20 feet in the air, and then had my bees swarm them as they were falling. You know, if I had Hunter's Mark on that, might have killed it.
Oh. I think he just did 4 times that man's health.
Yeah.
Violin Man
Hey,
is
wait a
angry.
minute.
Yes! He's using the berserker.
Coward. That was the last of them. Inside! All of you! More may follow! Open the gate!
Okay, well, I think I know what to do. Which one is, Ethan?
Show some respect. This man saved you.
Muscle Merlin?
pathetic
Here you go,
life.
Muscle Merlin.
Well, I didn't ask
Okay.
for any
Can you still
goddamn
walk?
help.
Oh, shit. Hang on.
Please, you were begging me to open the gate. Anything to save yourself, you coward.
Here you go, Muscle Merlin. Seriously? Okay,
The
hang on.
human's eye twitches. He's about
Here you
to
go.
blow.
Yes.
Here you
Well,
go.
I died. Thanks, asshole.
Yes. Hey, Jack. My carry weight's 190.
Bjorn is a humble man who just wants to
I'll
make
get
enough
there.
money to open his own shop.
But he sure.
Here, hold this.
Use this?
That's
We haven't
Okay.
opened it yet. I don't know why.
that.
Oh, God, I'm out of shit.
Hold on, let me put it. No, we have opened it. We're just carrying a 20-pound chest.
Pack up and leave.
It was in my inventory.
Why were you carrying that?
Because we couldn't pick it when it was in the thing.
Well, it's empty now.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
If you shove that pitchfork up a demon's ass, it would hurt.
Yeah.
All right. We must
Your
go save
pitchfork?
the. We gotta go save the little German boy from the bird women.
Oh, god damn it. I hate saving the little German boy.
No, little German boy.
No, little German boy. Hold on. I'm picking a lock real quick. Let's see how this goes.
The suffocating yearning.
Hey guys, if you
suddenly
had to have a
fades
special,
as the
if
spell
there was a
breaks.
special forces team you did
You
not
are free.
want to rescue you, what team would that be?
Ours.
The North Koreans.
No, it's just
All wrong answers. The correct answer is the Spetsnaz, who have an actual history of killing the hostages and the terrorists.
Just a little
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The Russians have a method of approaching these situations.
Oh shit, look at those shit.
The bird boobs. We must save the little German boy from the bird tits.
I thought that they didn't have...
Detail.
What's it look like with the filter on that?
I don't know.
Seems a lot of people are lured. How does this happen?
I have very low saving
Not a
rolls.
lot of us have great wisdom, buddy.
Am I lured?
Wisdom was my dump stat.
Oh dear.
I can't attest.
good luck.
The birds. Oh dear.
Oh, hello. Okay, wow. Fuck off. No, miss. Critical hit. Thanks, guys. Real happy with that one, Larian. Go fuck yourselves. Assholes. What the fuck are these harpies made of?
Feathers, mostly.
Muscle Merlin powers! Activate!
Oh yes, indeed.
Muscle Merlin, 60% chance to hit.
Yes.
Good job,
Beat that
Muscle
woman
Merlin.
with a stick.
Ayo.
Yes.
Muscle Merlin!
Well done, Muscle Merlin.
Muscle Merlin! Shit, I'm out of actions. I was about to do Muscle Merlin! Away!
Guys, where did my health go?
Bird.
They crit Muscle Merlin with a 15 damage.
Save the child.
No. These damn birds.
They can't lure me again, I'm
Oh,
immune.
thanks, asshole.
Oh my.
Oh dear.
Oh,
Jesus Christ!
Oh my. Oh.
Jesus. That's the first time in a long while I've seen any enemies in this game go for the double tap. Shut up.
So glad
Bees.
that I get to participate in this
Bees.
fight.
Hey Thanos, how's the afterlife?
Wait, can I do it? Yes. Oh, 42% chance.
Bitch.
But it'd be funny.
Well, okay, you have to do the uh-oh.
Do it.
56%
You don't see Grandpa
chance.
sickly, do you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jeremy,
Mr.
go.
Never mind, Mr. Bjorn's Beesbury might take the hit. Thank
Go,
you, Mr.
Jeremy.
Beesbury.
Okay. Thank goodness they missed the second one. Please kill this bitch.
Yeah, I'm trying to think about how to do that
Hit her.
because I don't have a high chance. I'm trying to
Give her a
see if
titty
I have
twister.
anything that's a higher chance to hit here.
Hey guys, I'm having trouble moving my character. It says can't control dead.
Beat her with a stick.
No idea, buddy.
Well, I could blow up Thanos' corpse.
Hey, how about you don't?
Yeah,
I'm
I guess hitting her with a stick's the only thing I can do.
Over here eating my fucking cheese, and you assholes are talking about exploding my corpse.
It's like
I know,
half
but-
of us here have raging ADHD, and this motherfucker can continuously concentrate while being beaten half to death. The world's not fair.
World's not fair.
I'm just going to try to cover the German boy, I guess. No,
Yeah,
German
had
boy.
One nice meal before.
Jack.
Why does he run?
something.
You think this kid would be, the AI would be programmed to run away from the enemies?
I've never seen them do this before.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Finally. Die.
He is
Alright.
programmed to disengage before he runs.
Are they gone?
Ah, yes, what cinematic dialogue.
No.
But what's the name of the Marvel character that's just bees?
Bees. I think they're just called bees, Jack.
No, it's like I think it's Doctor something.
Dr. Beesburger?
You know what I'm talking about, the Nazi scientist, right? It's just bees.
No. I have no clue who you're talking about.
There is a Nazi scientist in Marvel that is just bees.
This sounds suspiciously like the swarm.
Hang on.
The Dr. B saga.
Oh, my BG crashed.
He is. I just got crashed because someone threw me into a lockpick, I think, or something.
Oh, cool.
That
I
might
come
mean
back to the game crashes.
that might mean we have to do the fight again.
You didn't save?
Not immediately after. I didn't think it would crash instantly.
What? Sue.
I told you I crashed.
Well, I didn't know it would crash me.
Alright, well,
Oh no, you bastard! You got me found!
oh, yeah, no. Come on.
She
Killing it
saved it even in death.
Yes.
They're punishing us for not saving. Damn you, Jack!
I call this maneuver the titty twister.
Oh god! Oh my god!
Bees.
My god, he twisted her titty!
Twisted her.